Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
And then, what else did we do? Edit eligibility rule. Did we do something for managers or above? All executive vice presidents, managers in US or supervisor in UK. Let's look at this one. All executive vice presidents. Okay, so 3 executive vice president is what we said, and it is XYZ Motors perfect. So we have the eligibility rules set up, and now let's see if we have the grade profile. Okay, we have managers or above. Okay, sorry, why did I go for grade profile? I just want to see the compensation grade. Edit comp grade. Okay. And we should have something for W. W. So managers or above. So we are saying that this is correct. The grade profile is managers or above in the US, and so on. Okay, all right. So let's quickly create a job profile. Okay, create job profile. And here we are going to create a job profile for our executive vice president. Okay, because we have created our eligibility rule based on that, and we have created everything based on that. So let's call it as EVP Sales. Okay, and let's choose the management level. What happened to the management level? Okay, so 3 exec vice management level. No items. Okay. Okay, anyway, we will use this 5 executive vice president in our eligibility rule as well. Anyway, so we did that. Executive vice president, we are calling it as EVP Sales, right? And then in the compensation grade, we have to choose our compensation grade, right? Managers or above. This is the one that we are going to choose. Should we choose any grade profile? Do we need to? Do we need to use a grade profile? No. No. We will use the eligibility rules and the grade profile automatically, correct? So we are not going to use the grade profile. So this is it. I will just click on OK to save this. Done. So we have our job profile ready, and let's go back to our supervisory organization hierarchy, or instead of 1001, let's go to 1002. So we go to executive, and here we will create a position. Okay. So to create a position, We go to related actions of the supervisory organization and then, okay. So this is a job management organization, is it? Alright, no problem. So what we have to do is we have to put in the job profile. So we will edit the hiring restrictions. So we go to Organization Edit Hiring Restrictions. Effective date availability date is fine. So, in addition to job profile, let me also, use a second job profile that we created, EVP Sales OK. And I do not want to restrict on the basis of location, and that's it. Submit. Done. So now we can hire in these two job profiles. One can be the training manager, one can be the EVP of Sales. Okay. Now we have to make a few more fine-tuned adjustments here. So one is the hire process, and one is the proposed compensation hire process. So what we will do is we will create copy or link definition, and there I will see if I have the hire process okay. I will just initially let me do for the proposed compensation. I will create a very simplified version of the proposed compensation hire. Okay, I will not go for any approvals or so. I will just say a simple, just initiation process. That's it. Okay. So we have created a definition for proposed compensation hire. Now what we have to do is we have to update our hire process, right? We have to update our hire process so that it includes the compensation step. Correct. We want to do that. We want to give compensation now. So I will go back to the top level organization, that is XYZ Motors, and I will go there, and I will go to Business Process. Business Process. Definitions for Business Object. I will go there because I know for a fact that we have already created a hire business process definition. So I will just check that. Okay, hire for the 1001 XYZ Motors. We have already done this as part of our second chapter. So now we are going to enhance this existing definition and add the compensation step. Right, so we have opened up the hire business process. You see, there is only one step, that is initiation. We want to change that. You go to Related Actions. Business Process Edit Definition. We are going to edit the definition of the business process with effect from today. Yes. And we will add a step. So you will create another step. You see, I clicked on the Add Row icon, and here I will call it as Step B. The type is an action, and it is going to be a proposed compensation hire. I will scroll down. I will go to Proposed Compensation Hire, and I will select it, and I will select who is going to do it. The compensation partner. I want the compensation partner to be able to do, oh my God. So many roles. Okay, anyway, let me go back to the HR partner. I want the HR partner to be able to do it. Again, too many H are partners. Let me use the first one. H, our partner M. Okay, let me use this one. The assignable role is H, our partner perfect. Alright, so I will use this H, our partner, and click OK. So now what happens is I have to make sure that there is an H, our partner, assigned to my organization. Otherwise, how will Workday know who is the H, our partner? Correct. So let's assign the H, our partner role to this particular supervisory organization. I will go to the related actions again. And how do we assign roles? Anybody. How do we assign a role? Go to the roles and assign roles. We go to roles and assign roles. Perfect. So roles assign roles. I will use yesterday's date. Yeah, today's date is fine. And I will assign the role of H, our partner. Okay, I'll go here and I will search for H, our partner. One second. I have to find out the correct H, our partner. What is the first?
Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@uptalk.com.